Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics by Afzal Vasaya. Today we are going to solve a question from based on the topic Biot-Savart's law, which is from class 12 physics chapter 4 moving charges and magnetism. The question is asked in JEE Main April 2019. So without wasting a time, directly come to the question. And the question is, find the magnetic field at a point P due to a straight line segment AB of length 6 cm and carrying a current of 5 ampere. Okay, see figure. So figure, we have given a figure like this. So here AB is the straight line segment. So this is the wire and the current passing through this particular line segment is 5 ampere. Okay, so I write here I equals to 5 ampere. Okay, and the question is, find the magnetic field at point P due to this particular wire. So the point P is given here. Okay, and the formula for magnetic field due to a current carrying wire of finite length is mu0 upon 4 pi I upon A into bracket sine of phi 1 plus sine of phi 2. So here mu0 upon 4 pi is the constant which is similar to the K in electrostatic. I is the current passing through the given wire. Here A is the perpendicular distance from a point P to the wire. So first of all we have to make A from figure, and sine phi 1 and sine phi 2. So phi 1 and phi 2 are the angle between I show you in figure phi 1 and phi 2. Before phi 1 and phi 2 we will discuss a perpendicular A. So how can we find a perpendicular A? First of all, if I draw a perpendicular bisector from point P on the line segment AB, let this point be capital M. Okay, so this PM is the perpendicular bisector on AB, so the angle of PMB becomes 90 degree, and this distance P to M is the perpendicular distance which is denoted by A. So first of all, perpendicular distance is the distance between the point P and wire. Okay, so PM is the perpendicular distance, and if we apply Pythagoras theorem, because you can see that this triangle PMB is right angle triangle, so you can use here Pythagoras theorem, and according to Pythagoras theorem the square of hypotenuse, here hypotenuse is 5 cm, that is PB. So for triangle PMB we can write the square of hypotenuse, that which is 5 square, equal to the square of remaining sides. Okay, so remaining sides are MB and PM, which is A. So first we write square of A plus. Okay, now what is MB? So first of all, you see that the PM is the perpendicular bisector of AB, and the total length of AB is 6 cm. So you can write that the MB will becomes 3 cm, and also M to A, length of this segment A to M will become 3 cm. Okay, so for triangle PMB hypotenuse is 5 cm square, so 5 square equals to A square plus MB, length of MB is 3 cm, so 3 square. Okay, so square of 3 is 9, square of 5 is 25, and 25 minus 9 is 16, so A square equals to 16 and A equals to 4 cm. But our option are in Tesla. We have to find a magnetic field, and the option are given in unit Tesla, and current is 5 ampere. So we have to convert this unit of perpendicular distance into SI units. So SI unit of distance is meter. So we will write A is equals to 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay. So we get the perpendicular distance A. Current I is given, mu 0 upon 4 pi is a constant, and the value of mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. So you can write mu 0 upon 4 pi equals to 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, now discuss about the sine phi 1 and sine phi 2. Okay, so phi 1 is the angle between the perpendicular line and the line joining the point P and one end of the given segment, or you can say given finite length wire. So here phi 1 is the angle between PA and PN. Okay, so this angle is phi 1, and phi 2 is the angle between the perpendicular line and the line joining the given point P and the other end of the wire, which is B. So the angle between PB and PM is phi 2. Okay, so from figure we can calculate the value of sine phi 1 and sine phi 2. So from figure, sine phi 1 equals to what? So first of all, what is the formula for sine theta? So sine theta equals to, we used to say opposite upon hypotenuse. So the opposite side of this angle phi 1 is AM, which is of 3 centimeter, and the hypotenuse of this particular right angle triangle is 5 centimeter. So from figure we can write sine phi 1 equals to opposite side, that is 3 upon hypotenuse phi, and sine phi 2 equals to, so again it is a sine theta, so we can use formula opposite side upon length of opposite side upon length of hypotenuse. So for angle phi 2, the opposite side is MB and the length of MB is 3 centimeter, and the hypotenuse for this triangle PMB is PB, and which is of 5 centimeter. So you can write sine phi 2 equals to opposite side, that is 3 by hypotenuse, that is 5. So you can say that sine phi 1 and sine phi 2 are equal. Okay, now if you substitute those values of sine phi 1, sine phi 2, perpendicular distance A, and current is 5 ampere into this formula, let's say this equation is 1. So if we substitute all the values in equation 1, we get magnetic field B equals to mu 0 upon 4 pi. Okay, sorry, we have to substitute the value, so I directly write that mu 0 upon 4 pi. As I say earlier, that the mu 0 equals to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. So mu 0 upon 4 pi becomes 10 to the power minus 7 into I is the current passing through the given wire, and which is 5 ampere, upon A is the perpendicular distance, and here we have 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 into bracket sine phi 1 plus sine phi 2. So sine phi 1 is 3 by 5, and also sine phi 2 is 3 by 5. So if we simplify the power of 10, so 10 to the power minus 2 will go up and becomes 10 to the power plus 2, and as a result the power becomes 10 to the power minus 5 into 5 by 4 into, here 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5, that means 2 times 3 by 5 will cancel out, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so the answer will be 3 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 5, and 3 by 2 is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 5. And what we have find here is the magnetic field. So the unit of magnetic field is Tesla, so our answer is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. Okay, so pause the video and take a screenshot. Thank you.